Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you another exciting home listing tour. The property we're today is 5487 Ansel Drive. This property is located in Ridgeview at Stetson Hills. Very popular, very sought after neighborhood here in the Powers Corridor. Located within Ridgeview here, this property sits in a great location. You've got the community walking trail just down the street. So if you walk down Barella Court here, at the end of that, you've got access to a walking trail that spans 3 or 4 miles this way. It takes you right to Sky Sox Stadium along a great walking trail, super easy, super convenient, fantastic walking trail that really brings the community together. This property was a Pulte build originally. So you see you've got the fantastic vinyl siding, you've got great composite decking in the front, composite steps, you've got a beautiful fully fenced backyard, south-facing exposure in the driveway, and you've got a great tri-level floor plan so you don't waste a lot of square footage on hallways and things like that. It's really got a nice layout that feels much, much bigger than the 2,100 total square feet reads. You've got 3 bedrooms, you've got 3 bathrooms, you've got a fantastic floor plan, including an awesome master. I'm really excited for you guys to take a look at it. Let's go take a closer look inside. Now this home again is a tri-level floor plan with an unfinished basement space as well. So you're about 2,100 total square feet and you've got over 1,600 finished square feet. When you first enter, you see a fantastic formal living room right off the entry. You've got hardwood in the entry that immediately transitions into really nice carpet that's been newly switched out and is really in fantastic shape. That formal living room is a great introduction room, play area, piano room, anything like that. It's a really nice functional space. You've got vaulted ceilings, and from there you come on the main level into the space I'm standing in now, which is a kitchen and dining room area. The kitchen's got a really nice countertop space. It's a sort of a galley kitchen, but really wide, so it gives you plenty of room to maneuver in here. You've got a big walk-in pantry. You've got some nice Formica countertops, a great stainless steel sink. All the appliances do come with the home, lots of cabinet space, and it overlooks that backyard. You've got hardwood floors that attach the property to the eat-in dining area here. You've got a half wall with slats here that open up to the family room, give it really a nice open feel. You've also got a bay window that looks into the big backyard. As you go down one level, you go into the family room area. This is a really nice entertainment space. You've got a tile-clad gas fireplace, some really nice modern contemporary colors, and you walk out to the big backyard right there. You've got an extended patio in the backyard. It's fully fenced. You've got air conditioning. You've got mature trees, really nice lawn that's ready to really get green next spring, and a really nice layout. You've got some extra closet space on that lower level. You've also got access to a half bathroom for guests, and you've also got a great mudroom and closet in there as well. So you've got a great laundry closet and then access to the large 2-car garage. You've got a bigger than normal 2-car garage. It's a little bit wider on both sides, so it does give you a little bit of extra storage space and things like that. All the way upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, good sized bedrooms. The 2 secondary bedrooms are also nice size, overlooking the front of the house. Overlooking the backyard, you've got the master suite, which has 2 closets. So you've got his and hers closets, a nice sliding closet, and then a large walk-in closet as well. You've also got an attached full bath with a garden tub shower combo and double vanity sinks there also. So it's a really nice functional layout, really true master setup, really, really nicely done. And that upper level, again, everything feels really large because you're not spending a ton of square footage on hallways and things like that. All the way down to the basement, you've got unfinished space. You've got roughed-in plumbing for a 4th bathroom if you want to add it. I've seen this space been finished to do a 4th bedroom down there. I've also seen it be a really nice rec room down there also. So great storage in the meantime. Everything is really nicely done. You've got a crawl space access as well for some extra storage, and a really, really nice layout that allows you to add on and again get to nearly 2,100 finished square feet if you want to finish that basement space. This is 5487 Ansel Drive. We're coming on the market at $289,900, which is a great value in this Ridgeview at Stetson Hills area where it's very hard to find properties under that $300,000 barrier anymore. So you've got a great property that's fully move-in ready, has air conditioning, has some great finishes, is really, really clean, including new carpet and really nice paint, and also comes with a 14-month home warranty that we offer on all of our properties. So that 14-month home warranty will cover your furnace, your hot water heater, all the appliances, and all your mechanicals. If you'd like more information on this great property, please visit my website at www.makespringshome.com. Or if you'd like to get a private tour of this home and check it out for yourself, please give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Thanks so much for checking it out.